Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. In this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from algebra which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started. By considering our first step, I will switch numerator and denominator from both the sides. So let's consider reciprocal. I will get 3x plus 5 whole power 5 plus 5x plus 7 whole power 5 over 2x plus 3 whole power 5. In RHS, reciprocal of 1 over 724 will be 724. Now I can write our equation 3x plus 5 over 2x plus 3 whole power 5 plus 5x plus 7 over 2x plus 3 whole power 5 equal to 724. Now we can consider substitutions. So I will consider this bracket equal to A and second bracket we can say this is B. So the very first equation which we can write from here, A power 5 plus B power 5 equal to 724. Let's say this is equation 1. Now I will add A with B. So I can write here A plus B value. Now denominator is same, so we will put 2x plus 3 in the denominator and numerator will simply write 3x plus 5 plus 5x plus 7, which will give us 8x plus 12 in the numerator and denominator is 2x plus 3. Now I can take 4 common from the numerator. So I will get 2x plus 3 in the numerator also. Now we can cancel denominator and numerator 2x plus 3. So this will give us 4. So I can write our second equation A plus B equal to 4. Let's say equation 2. Now we have to solve this new system of equations. A power 5 plus B power 5 equal to 724 and A plus B equal to 4. Now I will use binomial expansion. Let me write A plus B whole power 5 expansion formula. This will be A power 5 plus B power 5 plus 5 times AB in the bracket A cube plus B cube plus 10 times A square B square times A plus B. Now here A plus B is known to us. So LHS we will be writing 4 power 5 equal to A power 5 plus B power 5 is also known to us 724. So here I can write 724 plus 5AB. Now A cube plus B cube is not known. So we can write using algebraic identities A cube plus B cube in terms of A plus B, which is known equation to us. I will write A plus B whole cube minus 3AB times A plus B plus last term 10A square B square times A plus B, which is 4. Now we can put A plus B equal to 4 in the curly bracket also. So we will be writing 4 power 5 equal to 724 plus 5AB in the bracket A plus B is 4, so 4 cube minus 3 times AB. A plus B is again 4 Then 10 times 4 is 40. A square, B square. Now I can take 4 common from this bracket also. So let me write 4 power 5 equal to 724 plus 5ab times 4. In the bracket it will be 4 square. So I will write 16 minus 3ab. And then I will write here 40a square b square. Now you can see 4 is also common from RHS. So I can write 4 power 5 equal to 4 times 724 divided by 4 is 181 plus 5ab in the bracket 16 minus 3ab. Then I will be writing here 40 over 4 is 10, a square b square. Now I can cancel this 4 and power will be 4 now. So left hand side will be 4 power 4. So I will write our equation here. 4 power 4, this is equal to 181 plus 5ab. In the bracket I will write 16 minus 3ab plus 10 times a square b square. Now 4 power 4 is 256 equal to 181. Then I will multiply or expand. I can write 5 times 16 is 80 ab minus 15 a square b square plus 10 a square b square. Let's take all the terms to LHS. So I can see here this is minus 5a square b square. So I will write equation 5a square b square minus 80ab plus 256 minus 181 equal to 0. Now I can write 5a square b square minus 80ab plus 256 minus 181 will be 75 equal to 0. Now we can divide this equation by 5. So I can take 5 common also. A square b square minus 16ab plus 15 equal to 0. Or I can write a square b square minus 16ab plus 15 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic in AB. So let's solve using method of factorization. I will write a square b square or ab whole square minus 16ab and then we'll be writing plus 15 equal to 0. I can write a square b square. Now I will split minus 16 as minus ab minus 15ab plus 15 equal to 0. Now from first two terms ab is common. We will get ab minus 1 in the bracket. From last two we will take negative 15 common. So we will get ab minus 1 in the bracket again. Now ab minus 1 is common. We will get ab minus 15 in the other bracket equal to 0. From product 0 rule I can write ab equal to 1 or ab equal to 15. Now I will use our equation number 2. From a plus b equal to 4, I can write the value of b 4 minus a, which we will apply in both the equations. So we will get a times 4 minus a equal to 1 for our first equation and a times 4 minus a equal to 15 for our second equation. Let's solve both the equations. A times 4 minus a equal to 1. Then we will take up a times 4 minus a equal to 15. Let's expand 4a minus a square equal to 1. Multiply this equation with negative 1. We will write minus 4a plus a square equal to negative 1. Or I can write a square minus 4a equal to negative 1. Now we will add 4 to both sides. So plus 4 plus 4. So left hand side will give us one perfect square of a minus 2 and right hand side will give us 4 minus 1 3. Now we will take square root both sides. We will be getting a minus 2 equal to plus minus square root 3. Add 2 to both sides. We will get two real values of a, 2 plus minus square root 3. Now we have to solve our second equation. So I can write here 4a minus a square equal to 15. Take all the terms to RHS. A square minus 4a plus 15 equal to 0. Now we can use quadratic formula. So a will be equal to minus b. So I will write minus of minus 4 plus minus the square root of b square. So minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 15, which will be 60 over 2 times 1, so 2. This will give us a equal to 4 plus minus the square root of 60 minus 16 is 44. So I will write minus 44 over 2, which will be equal to 4 plus minus. I can write a square root of minus 1 times the square root of 44, which we will write 4 times 11 over 2. Now this 4 will come out from this square root as 2. And we know that a square root of negative 1 is complex number I. So I will write 4 plus minus 2 times square root 11 times I over 2. Or I can write two complex solutions, 2 plus minus square root 11 times I. But these values we will reject as we are looking for real solutions. So these solutions we will reject. 2 plus minus root 3 will be accepted value. Let me write here a equal to 2 plus minus square root 3. Now a was our substitution, if you remember. A was, if I will write 3x plus 5 over 2x plus 3. This is equal to a. Let me calculate here the value of x in terms of a. So I will cross multiply. 3x plus 5 equal to 2ax plus 3a. Now I will write here x terms to one side. So I will write 5 minus 3a equal to x is common in the bracket. We can write 2a minus 3. So x will be equal to 5 minus 3a over 2a minus 3. Now a is 2 plus minus square root 3. Let's put the values. 5 minus 3 times 2 plus minus square root 3 over 2 times 2 plus minus square root 3 minus 3. Now I will simplify. X will be 5 minus 6 and then minus plus 3 root 3. Minus times plus minus will give us minus plus over 4, 2 times 2. Then I will write plus minus 2 square root 3 minus 3. So I will be getting minus 1 minus plus 3 square root 3 over 4 minus 3 is 1 plus minus 2 square root 3. Now we have to rationalize our denominator. So let's write in single sign form. I will be writing minus 1 minus 3 root 3 over 1 plus 2 root 3. First solution. And second would be minus 1 plus 3 root 3 over 1 minus 2 root 3. Now we will rationalize our denominator. So let me write here x equal to, let's take minus common. So I will write minus times 1 plus 3 root 3 over 1 plus 2 root 3. And second solution would be minus 1 plus 3 root 3 over 1 minus 2 square root 3. Now we have to rationalize our denominators. So I will multiply numerator denominator by denominators conjugate. So I will write here 1 minus 2 root 3 in multiplication. So in the numerator 2 root 3. Here we will multiply in the numerator denominator by 1 plus 2 root 3. 1 plus 2 root 3. Once we will simplify, our denominator will give us 1 square minus 2 square root 3 whole square. This will be equal to 1 minus 12. So our denominator will be negative 11. So if I will write our final answer, then I can write here x will be equal to 1 plus 3 root 3 times 1 minus 2 root 3, our first solution. And second solution we will get from minus 1 plus 3 root 3 times 1 plus 2 root 3 over negative 11. And here we will write denominator is 11. So our final answer will become minus 17 plus square root 3 over 11. And here we will be getting 17 plus square root 3 over 11 with minus sign common. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.